sealers are the most basic and economical sealers on the market. Using a hand sealer is quick and easy. First, plug in the power cord and adjust the timer dial to the desired setting. A good starting point is 2.5. Next, place your bag on the sealing pad and bring the sealing arm down until the red light turns off, plus an additional 2 to 4 seconds to set the seal. Now for a seal and cut application, adjust your timer setting to the lowest setting that will still seal and cut. Seal and cut provides no seam on your poly bag. While the sealing arm is depressed, tear the package away, creating a perfect seal. The width of the seal will vary by sealers. Here is an example of a 5 mm seal bag, a 2 mm seal bag, and a round element seal bag.